Okay, so some Friday updates to the garage shop. I realized the last time I left out some details, so I'm gonna try to do this again. Hopefully I do better this time. Trying to get used to uh, doing YouTube videos, so you gotta bear with me a little bit. Okay, so let's try this again. Um, this is the panel here. It used to be 125 amp, and now I had it upgraded to 200 amp. Main breaker here, 200 amp. As you can see there. I added this for my CNC milling machine. 40 amp breaker, 220 volt. I had this one also added. It's a 220 volt, 20 amp breaker. Added 3 other breakers, each 20 amp each. And yeah, so this breaker here will power the lathe. I bought a Tormac 15L Slant Pro lathe, and these 3 here, 20 amp each, 110 volt, should be enough to run my bandsaw and my air compressor, which I'll talk about those later. Yeah, but as you can see, I have sheetrock over this wall. This wall, I had to tear this down and install insulation behind that. I installed R15 insulation. But first, yeah, this breaker here, the 220 breakers, each go through a conduit there, metal pipe, as you can see there, just for protection. So that's for the mill, and the other one goes to the lathe. Okay, so yeah, and what I'm doing is I am doubling the walls. I'm installing another 5/8 sheetrock over this wall here. I'm doing it for all the walls in the garage. 3 walls and the little bit of the garage door. And yeah, so that should help cancel more noise from my machines. Now, I saw someone recommend this adhesive from YouTube. It's a Roberts 6700 indoor-outdoor carpet. I'll be doing a review on this if it works. So yeah, so hopefully the glue at the back of the panel between the 2 panels should help to diffuse the noise. I hope more noise. Yeah, so but we will see. Yeah. And a few other things I have here. I already received part of the lathe. These are some of the accessories of the Tormac lathe. It came in the other day. The main lathe itself might arrive today. And I bought this vacuum, this shop DeWalt vacuum here, the 16-gallon. So hopefully it comes in handy at some point. And I had bought a California air compressor. Oops. Have some bubbles on the floor. Okay, shipping bubbles. All right, so I had to return the California Air Tools air compressor. One, I think like I saw someone, give a review of it on YouTube, and um, yeah, they had problems with it, and California Air Tools, didn't really provide a really good customer service with that, and also I think like it's a little overpriced. I got this for almost half the price of or maybe like, let me say 60% of the price of the California Air Tools. So the savings from that, I was able to use it to buy the shop vac and something else that I bought. Yeah, so it's not because the Cobalt is better, but it has 26 gallons capacity. The California Air Tools only has 20 gallons, I believe. And how many CFM does this have? Let me see. Okay, so here they say it's quiet and it's only 70 decibels. I don't believe that. It's oil free, of course. 150 psi max, which I don't plan to go above 100. And 4.5 CFM at 90. Okay, which is okay. I mean, my meal, I heard, will require 2.2 CFM. So I'm glad I have a little more. Excuse me for the bubbles. And of course I have this this pallet jack here. Also came in really handy when when these heavy packages arrived. And I have also a Toshiba 75-inch TV for the garage. I got this from Best Buy. I mean, it was on sale, so I think it was a good price. I like watching YouTube videos, watching improvement videos, how to do garage stuff. I like those kind of stuff. So I also have a engine lift here. I don't want to be lifting, heavy parts. I don't want to break my back, so I want to use tools, as much as I can. I also bought this clutch band saw here. So everything looks crazy right now. I mean, I've had this drill press for a while, for some years now. So some of this stuff here are old stuff I'm gonna use. Yeah, the garage looks messy right now, but I'm working on it. Yeah. So I rented this pod to keep my household stuff. I had some everything is here. Coolers, pressure washers and stuff, it's packed. Yeah, so the plan is to put all of this in the shed at the back of the house. Yeah, so that's my update for Friday. I know there's not really much I can say right now because I'm still trying to build the garage. Yeah, and the machines are not really here yet, so yeah, if you like this content, then subscribe, and so you'll be notified when I release updates on the progress of this garage. All right, thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.